Okay, so it's not Julian's birthday, but it's almost Christmas, and I'm just about to give him his Christmas presents. So we're going to test out a new Chinese birthday candle. This time with 14 candles as opposed to 7, and then afterwards I'm going to attempt to disable it so it stops the music. Okay, ready? It's not easy to get them as they're going round. It's not funny. It's ruined the effect. Oh, got them. Done it, I've done it. That was slightly disappointing, I'll be honest. Okay, so I guess they're not always perfect. Okay, do you think it's got the effect? Done? Right. Okay, so obviously it's still making lots of noise, so it's quite annoying. So I think possibly this little thing here holds the key. Just burn myself with the wax. So that little white tab, I think that you just squeeze it out like that, and here is the battery, and just stop the contact on the battery. So that's that problem solved.